Namaskaram. I am Naatyaacharya, VP Dhananjayan. I am very pleased to know that one of our up-and-coming Bharathanatyam Nartaka is launching a book of 108 Talaprastaras or the Jathis or Korvis as we Tirumanams as we normally say. Bharatanatyam is catching up with the world market all over, and probably Bharatanatyam is one of the most sought after classical performing art all over the world, and especially country like Australia, who has a lot of immigrant students interested in learning Bharatanatyam. And this book of 108 Thala Prakarnas, Thala or Jathis for Bharatanatyam, will be very useful to all those up and coming young Nartaki, Nartakas practicing Bharatanatyam. And I have gone through them. There are a lot of varieties of rhythmical delineations, rhythmical combinations that Chidambaram, Suresh has envisaged and composed. And I'm sure listening to his uttering the Jathis Tirumanams, probably you will be able to catch up with the Avartanas and all the catch up with the intonations of the Tirumanams. And since Bharatanatyam is very popular and so many practitioners are coming out from different various schools of Bharatanatyam all over the world, they may be able to utilize the Tirumanams that has been composed by Chidambaram Suresh, who is very enthusiastic and also happens to be one of the prime disciples of Professor C.V. Chandrasekhar and Uma Dandaida Apanipillai. So I am very glad that he is launching this book in Sydney, and my blessings to him, and also wish him all the best. And all the venture that is undertaken will be very successful. Thank you for inviting me to share my views. All the best for the launching of the book 108 Tirumanams, or what they call is Bharatanatyam Jathis. So you can buy it and make use of it. Thank you.